Master of Ceremonies, our friends from Japanese Embassy, the manager and the staffs of Nasau Training Center, our main stakeholders, the students, my ministry staff, members of media, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bula Vinaka, and a very good morning to you all. I would also like to acknowledge the PA and senior government officials. It is a pleasure to be here with our friends from the Japanese Embassy to officiate at the concrete pouring ceremony here in the beautiful Singatoka Valley. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a project that will make a big difference in the lives of the youth who will utilize this new facility. I also take this opportunity to officially thank the government of Japan for their contribution to this great initiative. I'm sure that all of you are aware that Singatoka Valley is known as the salad bowl of Fiji for its agriculture projects. The Nasau Youth Training Center cannot be in a better place for the purpose of training our youths in the best possible farming practices. And it is a welcome and timely boost to its facilities through this new building project. Ladies and gentlemen, earlier this year, the Ministry of Youth and Sports signed the MOU with the Embassy of Japan on a grant of $115,125 as mentioned earlier on. This funding is being used to provide an additional learning space to the current facilities for the new program on the Disaster Risk Reduction and Climate Change Adaptation Certificate 1. 3 months later, since the official agreement was made, and now this project is finally becoming a reality for all of us. It is a true testimony to the Japanese work ethics and commitment to timely delivery on its project. It takes a great effort to bring a project like this together, and at this time I would like to recognize some of the key individuals who helped to turn this dream for the Singatoka community into a reality. First and foremost, His Excellency the Ambassador of Japan to Fiji for his leading role in cooperating with the Ministry's effort on the issue of disaster risk reduction and climate change. The contractors who will construct this new building, the staff of the Nasau Training Center and Singatoka office who helped to facilitate this project. I would also like to extend my appreciation to all the community members and others who are either working on the project. I know they are all excited for this building to be completed so that they can utilize this facility. The architect, the builder, and my staff and I will be here after the official event to help and answer any questions you may have. In a short while, I will also invite our friends from Japanese Embassy, officials, students, and community elders to come forward and join me in turning the first shovels of cement to mark this special occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, with that brief statement, I would like to thank all of you for coming. Please stay to share in our joy of this wonderful occasion. Vinaka, and thank you.
不是收，不是收。